This helicopter rides for the one in charge. If I sentence you to die, well, that's 100 shots. Judge banging like a blood, show a nigga love. Caught him with a kilo, so he hit him with a dub. We bulletproof the trucks like the ones in Iraq. Where I'm at, you lock your door, you using a latch.
Oh, you don't compare, don't fit in with them, do you get me?
Don't work the first time, just try and try again, my friend. You know it goes already. Triple Vibes Radio, out on Stunting, Frost Fridays. Technology now.
Oh, you don't compare, don't fit in with them, do you get me?
See there?
Oh, you don't compare, don't fit in with them, do you get me?
Triple Vibes Radio.
Judging by the way
everybody drinking and smoking, you feel good.
You get me? Ooh, out of this world, hands on, baby, now you sing me.
Now it's known.
Looking at the way we're blending in, you get
Ladies,
me?
my babies. Yeah.
Oh, you don't compare, don't fit in with them, do you get me?
So you call it Echo Weave.
By the way you open up,
you know,
get me?
Mad people style. So you know it, boy. Easy check the mix for see where go on. Easy like you remember make sure you know. Out and Stunting. Fast Fridays. Hey!
See you looking beyond the surface. Can tell by the questions you're asking. You got me low, key nervous. It feels like we're on the same wave, yeah. I never intended to relate. I mean, what are the chances?
Triple Vibes Radio.
Never thought I'd connect with you, not in these circumstances.
Couple more to go and then we're going on the people. I hope everybody locked in, tuning, everybody got the out.
Yeah.
Triple Vibes Radio.
Mama, relax. Keep back and walk.
Okay.
By the pool. I see juice.
Okay.
You fool. You late. In my mind, I'm running cool.
Okay.
Don't need a bitch for nothing.
Echo Mix. Triple Vibes Radio.
Yeah. Thank God I'm on my monkey, finally relax.
Triple Vibes.
And wine by the pool.
Frost Fridays.
Leveling up on the fool.
Remember I said tomorrow Stunting Saturdays.
My mind, I'm running cool. I'm straight.
Okay.
Don't need a bitch for nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Don't need a nigga for nothing.
Alright. She keep thinking I need her. Tell a bitch I don't need her. No, you think she a keeper now, but I ain't even seen her, nah. Lady, I've been on some different shit lately. I'ma get the time back, it's my bad. Should've told your ass you would keep me, I don't need a bitch from
Ladies again.
Keep back and wine. I see juice. Leveling up on all you fools. You late. In my mind, I know that I'm cool. I'm straight. Don't need a bitch for nothing.
I'm gonna start back a party, man. I'm telling you. Triple Vibes Radio, Fast Fridays, out and Stunting. Okay.
Nigga be thinking I need them. Tell the man I don't need them. Almost missed my freedom. Like somebody gotta teach them now. Keep it moving. God is telling me to keep it moving. I don't get a redo, no redos. Middle finger and peace to him. Don't need a bitch for nothing.
Don't need a nigga for nothing.
Messiah movement.
Before we go on to people.
Talking to me. I need a chick, no I ain't. Bitch on the boat, no ain't no boat, no me. I need a check, no, I ain't check, no, I ain't. I took that bitch, she ain't been home. Pussy so good, I might buy a Jeep.
I need others on the radio now. Nigga, watch that money, Need all my bitches in the buses down. Nigga, that's that money, Ever since she got her she got.
Bitch, I'm the boss, no, ain't no talking to me. I need a check, no, I ain't check, no, I ain't. I took that bitch, she ain't been home in a week. Pussy so good, I might buy a Jeep.
I need others on the radio now.
Triple vibes there,
Money talk.
man, couple more to go.
All my bitches in the bus.
They were gone.
Nigga, that's that money talk.
How it go?
Ever since she got her on, told her I can't hold her. She put on for the game, sure that she a soldier. And it don't matter who she with, she thinking what I told her. And I told her I always make sure money talking
Triple
for
vibes,
you. And I told her I'm chasing a chick, I'ma call her back. I ain't calling a week and I follow back. I got sticks in the Jeep, I'm on all of that. Lot of racks in my jeans, it's 100 pack. I don't even much look, I ain't saying that. All my bitches in a bus, I run with that beef like a running back. That money talk, I get you touched now. Follow behind me, I'm sliding with all my bitches in a jet. Watching a nigga can't figure me out like bitch, go get the bag. Hold on, watch me sweat.
You see on this good Fresh Friday like today, people.
Dirty cash, when I'm walking.
Oh, yes, I'm going.
Yeah. Hey, we pull up like.
Here we go!
Yeah, man.
Hey, we pull up like.
Done stunting.
No version. White on white, white, not all white, look. On rich, shout it thick. We fuck a friend together. That's my bitch. I heard you.
Come on, fam.
Yeah.
Out on stunting.
Hey, we pull up.
Triple vibes with us.
No version.
First Friday.
White on white, not all white, look.
Stunting.
Hey, we pull up like.
First Fridays.
No version. White on white, not all white, look. On rich, shout it thick. We fuck a friend together. That's my bitch. I heard you hit her raw. You taking rich, and she a thot. You with the shit. Oh, she a ho. Fuck the bro. She a secret. That's on the low. I ain't tricking at all. Ain't spending no dough. Won't catch me on no blows. Ain't linking so you. Hey, you a plan. She a. She too extra. She just went viral, showed the world your text message. You had to block the hoe, cause she missing. Hey, I be talking to myself like in the mirror and shit. Is you ready for this shit?
Alright. Go out and stunting. Big up Dope Chef on Instagram.
For that Sunday meal, but now I am. I've been ready for war.
Content people.
Hey, I be
out and stunting. That's what we're bringing in for the New Year's, yeah? See if you all roll our next spliff in the manala. Stunting.
I wasn't ready for that Sunday meal, but now I am. I've been ready for war. Then a gun jam.
Stunting.
I wasn't ready. Hey, I be talking to myself like in the mirror and shit. Is you ready for this shit? Nigga, what's up? I wasn't ready for that Sunday meal, but now I am. I've been ready for war. Then a gun jam. I guess God wasn't ready for him. Hey, you blessed, nigga. I'm ready for you.
Stunting.
I was born ready, day one. Since a child I was grown. I'm just me, and I ain't got no respect for a goon. Why not? Cause real killers kill by who they love. Nigga got bricks in 94 on the split. You my plug, nigga.
Stunting.
How many of you niggas really know Mexicans? None of shoot your Draco in the crowd, kill pedestrian. And look at you. You niggas ain't kill your body.
I can't do it like Jada. I'm
leaving your feelings.
Hold a D-block.
Kill them, making them touch.
This is called living.
All of the D-Block crew, 354, you know what I mean? Always, I could big up everybody, bartenders crew, cause we know y'all personally, you feel me? Big up Styles P, Chic Looch, you know what I mean? Even the nigga that sell out, big up my nigga Dragon, the whole of them there. Bronx crew, Yonkers crew, Mount Vernon, how it goes. Remember when y'all niggas was driving shit with across the train, the flow. Styles P of London, yeah man, we know about him.
The odds.
Bad people.
At all.
D-Block!
Yeah, I like this.
So Rosby.
This is called living. Don't ever forget it. Sky's just a view, baby. It's never the limit. You playing the game, then you better be winning. Glasses of wine, cheers, better beginnings.
Triple vibes. Frost Fridays. Out on stunting.
You just try and beat the odds.
Yeah, man.
At all. Yeah. I like this.
So Rosby.
This is called living. Don't ever forget it. Sky's just a view, baby. It's never the limit. You playing the game, then you better be winning. Glasses of wine, chairs better be.
Got him screaming.
World don't stop. You know it keeps.
Got him screaming.
Sorta like me. You know I keep.
Got him screaming.
I got a good heart. Let the snakes keep the venom. Come out when you see that big boy with the.
Got him screaming.
And I ain't looking at you, mommy. I'm looking through you. I can take you to places you probably only can do. Them bitches in your ears just jealous. Don't let them fool you. They waiting on their chance. They wish they could do it.
Got him screaming encore. They just want more. Black mama. Got him screaming encore. They just.
You know what I mean? Come on, fam. This name Showcase.
Yeah.
Frost Friday showcasing the people.
See the go. That's some cold shit. Call it 60 below. I mean, he play like he got ice in his veins. Shoot it in your face. Got him screaming.
Oh, you looking for
more? Black mama. Got him screaming. More. Yeah, who you know did it like cold, 60 to go. That's some cold shit, call it 60 below.
Hold a breathe, voice side.
Got ice in it.
Horsey side.
Shoot it in your face from
Bushwick, Bed-Stuy.
Gotta be nice at the range. With him twice at the games. Once
DGF.
on video. I say we had a nice little
DMF.
words. He said
me Cheeto.
the spice of the game, say word. Kobe giving me advice is insane. I'm your favorite player, you watch slice through the lane. It's putting you on the game and the price of this fame. These that got him screaming encore. They just want more.
What the hell are you looking for?
Screaming encore. They just want more.
Come on, fams.
Yeah, who you know did it like cold, 60 to go.
Hey!
That's some cold shit, call it 60 below.
Yeah.
He play like he got ice in his veins. Shoot it in.
Triple Vibes there, the Frost Fridays, know your people.
Nice at the range. I talked with him twice at the games. Once had to trade it on video. I say we had a nice little exchange of words. He said you gotta come and spice up the game. Say word. Kobe giving me advice is insane, absurd.
Nah, man, couple more to go and then we're gone. The vibes there though.
Yeah.
Frost Fridays. Do remember stunting Saturdays tomorrow. 8 till 10.
Está los mandamientos
Yeah man, just take your time, you know. Don't first succeed, try again. Succeed business out here. Prosperity, yeah?
A veces me pregunto si hago bien en respetar los mandamientos. ¿Y dónde estará Dios metido en estos momentos? Sé que la vida es corta como cuento. Y en un abrir y cerrar se la lleva el viento.
Man, Panama crew. Puerto Rican family, Dominican Republic family. They are said we know.
Yeah, ay. A veces me pregunto si hago bien en respetar.
Colombian crew,
¿Y dónde
Ecuadorian crew,
Yo en-
Venezuelan crew.
sé que la vida es corta como
People are Argentina.
y en un abrir y cerrar se la
People are Brazil.
Aún recuerdo el primer juego tuyo que presentí. Mil emociones, muchas veces me pusiste de pie. Me enseñaste que todo en la vida se hace con pasión y que para ganar hay que tener corazón. Nos enseñaste que el número 13 no es de mala suerte y que los fracasos pueden hacernos más fuertes. Digan lo que quieran, para mí será el mejor. Ay, descansa en paz con el Señor. Y felicidades, tú también ganaste 6 sortijas, 5 en la NBA y un matrimonio que te dio tus hijas. Pensando que una se fue contigo, me descontrolo. Pero nada, eso es pa' que en el cielo no, solo más de 80.